Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we have something that's a game changer for all you MacBook users out there, the Sunveza MacBook Pro charger. Let's dive into why this charger deserves your attention. First off, this charger is all about speed and efficiency. With an impressive 118 W output, it boasts a high charging efficiency of up to 96%. That means you can fully charge your MacBook Pro 16-inch in about 1 hour and 25 minutes. And it's not just for laptops. It can charge most mobile phones from 0% to 80% in just 20 minutes. Compatibility matters, and this charger has you covered. It's compatible with USB-C port MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, including various sizes and generations. Plus, it works with iPads, laptops, smartphones, and any USB-C device. The best part? It automatically identifies and converts the charging power, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Safety is paramount, and the Sunveza charger has it all. It's equipped with multiple safety features like overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overload protection, and temperature protection. This charger ensures a fast and safe charging experience while extending its service life. The charger employs PD 3.0 charging technology, setting it apart from other MacBook chargers. It offers superior performance compared to chargers like 96W, 87W, 61W, 67W, 30W, and 29W. It identifies your devices automatically and provides the fastest and most efficient output current. Worried about customer support? Don't be. Sunveza is committed to providing top-notch customer service. If you have any questions or issues, their customer service team is there to assist you promptly, with responses within 24 hours. Need a reliable replacement charger for your MacBook? Look no further. This charger comes with a specialized 5A USB-C to C cord for lightning-fast charging. It's compatible with various PD charger models, making it versatile for all your devices. If speed is what you need, this charger delivers. It can charge your MacBook Pro 15-inch to 100% in just 1 hour and 35 minutes, allowing you to get back to work or play without waiting around. Portability is key, and the foldable plug design makes it easy to carry. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this charger is compact and durable, taking up minimal space in your bag. There you have it, folks. The Sunveza MacBook Pro charger, your ticket to fast, efficient, and safe charging for your MacBook and other devices. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay charged and stay productive.